Ni.
Apa surprise dia? Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususo tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubenai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Turmen banyak kendu biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Sumbut midrang ba ka jela basnya balang dhar ubadai ru MLA jongan Nartiang constituency ulong bagi Paidbah ka Nartiang constituency kidi bedan laga jong ka Nongkrem barik la Punjab election ru yau haru saw Samoi kinti Henry kum ki Paidbah ka Nongkrem constituency ki ba Kylliang iginong mikman man nakapor hagi jinga krem ki larp thai ku bor ba dhar ulong bagi Paidbah ki beled ki jinga lang ilap election kabla penlong dangshen deko Voice of the People Party Nartiang constituency kidantang kumba arspa hado arspa san pongod uloang ru ba ke NPP kedan jingkerman bo kertong MP ke parti u Dr. DRL Nonglad u New York ke jingjob hagan ke kenti deka jingkershan jing Paidbah ba deka jing wan penyeso jing nong kershan jing kiwe ke parti she ke NPP
market in the state of Meghalaya rural market. And that day there is no public, hardly 250. And because of the picture, it shows a lot of people. Please remember, one Nartiang community is, they are a very, very good people and they are having their own principle. They elect me full time as their MLA. Please remember not like Nongkrem, they keep changing every now and then. We from the party side, along with the candidate and along with the party workers across the 36 constituency, we are preparing it very well. And also we are trying to work very hard to make sure that at least Dr. DR Nongkrem should come with a good and with a good majority. So as of now we are separate all our 36 constituencies, so our party workers they are on the field right now. So we are trying to work very hard so that at least we will win this coming election.
What about anti-incumbency?
You see, anti-incumbency is always there as a government, but our country is fresh. There is no anti-incumbency against it. In time of election for 2028, why we should invite somebody? Everybody is free to contest. Simple as that. Leave it to them. We will leave it to them. The marga BHP try kan bo law jong candidate. Yo try ka UDP ro yo kan bo law jong candidate. The kiwe kila ibu pelai TV. Tahun sampai yo the kimbu part kata minje discuss with how to discuss with them.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Kylliang is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.